Okay, be honest. How many different things do you own just to clean your floors? A vacuum for the crumbs, a mop for the spills, maybe a steam cleaner buried in a closet somewhere that you forgot about. What if one machine did all of it? Steam, hot water, and a foam mode that actually kills pet odors. That's exactly what I've been testing. So let's get right into it. What's up YouTube, Jeff back again today with another very exciting tech video for you guys. Today we're taking a look at the Dreame Aero Ultra Steam Vacuum Mop. And yes, that's the whole name. Quick note on the brand name, it's Dreame. This is a wet-dry vacuum mop, but it's got a twist most floor cleaners don't. Combines three things in one machine: high temperature steam, hot water mopping, and a foam wash mode. Dreame's pitch here is basically a deeper, more hygienic clean with a lot less effort, aimed at busy households, especially homes with pets and little kids running around. Big thanks to Dreame for sponsoring this video and sending over the unit, but as always, the opinions and testing are my own in this video. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Now, I'm not going to bore you guys with a long, drawn-out unboxing, but we do need to see what's in the box, so let's get to the quick version. In the box, you get the main body, and I'll say it, that sleek silver design does feel premium in person. The handle, charging base that doubles as the self-cleaning dock, cleaning brush, 2 bottles of cleaning solution, and a replacement filter. Setup is about as simple as it could possibly be. Click the handle on, drop it on the base to charge. Dreame says a full charge gets you up to 100 minutes of runtime in cold water mode from 6 batteries, and it's rated to cover a little over 7,500 square feet on that charge. Incredibly premium build, we love the look, definitely something you would want to keep around your house and use it on a daily basis. All right, moving on from the unboxing and design to the headlining feature, and it's the whole reason that steam is in the product name. The Aero Ultra Steam runs continuous high temperature steam that Dreame rates at 392 degrees Fahrenheit. Here's why that number matters in plain English. Heat is what does the heavy lifting here. At that temperature, the steam breaks down grease and sticky residue and helps sanitize the surface as it goes. And it does that without you dumping a bunch of chemicals onto your floor. If you've got little kids crawling around there like we do, or pets walking across the floor and then licking their paws, a chemical-free deep clean is genuinely an important thing to have. Quick fun fact while we're here, water turns to steam at 212 degrees, so 392 degrees is way past the boiling point. That's superheated steam, which is exactly the kind that penetrates grime instead of just leaving your floor soaking wet. It absolutely looks fantastic in person, and it definitely gives you a deep clean. Dreame's whole pitch here is that deep sterilization plus the chemical-free clean, so I'll let the before and after look do the talking here. Now, feature number 2 is the mopping side, and it's a clever 1-2 punch. On the wet side, the Aero Ultra Steam uses 194 degree hot water to loosen up stubborn, stuck-on messes. Think dried-on sauce, sticky juice spills, that kind of thing. Then on the suction side, Dreame rates it at 30,000 pascals. That's 30 kilopascals if you see it written that way, and that suction pulls the dirty water straight back up almost immediately. Now, why does that combo matter in particular? Because the thing everybody hates about mopping is the floor being wet for 10 minutes afterwards while you tiptoe around in your socks waiting for it to dry. The idea here is that the hot water goes down, the dirty water comes right back up, and you're left with a cleaner and much drier floor that you can basically walk on right away after cleaning. Now the third feature, and this one is incredibly clever, and that is a targeted foam wash. You add the cleaning solution, pop the tank back in, press one button on the handle, and the machine automatically dispenses a pre-mixed foam that goes to work breaking down stains and neutralizing odors. The pitch here is no more eyeballing how much solution to mix, and no more lingering smells from stuff like pet messes, or, sorry in advance here for the visual, vomit and other tough messes. Now, here's the part actually worth understanding because it tells you how Dreame designed this thing. That automatic solution mixing only kicks in on 2 modes, cold water and foam wash. In steam mode and hot water mode, no cleaning solution gets dispensed at all. And that's on purpose because those are the chemical-free modes. The heat is doing the work, so it doesn't need the chemicals in that case. So it's not that the machine won't let you pick both or is restricting you somehow, it's that it's picking the right tool for that specific job, and that's the way I would want it. Steam and hot water when you want heat and nothing else touching your floor, foam wash when you've got a stain or an odor that needs a little more convincing, and it definitely kills odor. If you have pets, this is something you're definitely going to want in your household. Different tools for different messes, all built into one machine, and that's really the whole idea here. Now, beyond those 3 big features, there's a stack of quality to life features that you'll want to know about, so let's do a quick rundown. The body reclines a full 180 degrees and drops its height to about 10 centimeters, so it slides flat under couches and beds, and there's an LED headlight that kicks on to show you the dust you didn't know was there. The brush uses what Dreame calls Tangle Cut 2.0 designed to handle long hair, short hair, and pet hair without wrapping up the roller, and it runs at a fairly quiet 72 decibels. There are power-assisted wheels that push and pull the machine for you so it's less of a workout, and when you're done, you drop it on the dock and it self-cleans the roller with steam and hot water and then dries it. All of these features together add up to an incredibly convenient ownership experience that really makes it low maintenance and hands-off. So who is this actually for and who should buy it? Well, Dreame is clearly angling this at pet owners, parents, anyone with a busy household that has real messes to clean up that don't just need a quick wipe down. And the bigger pitch here is it's 3-in-1. Instead of owning a separate vacuum, separate mop, and separate steam cleaner, you've got steam, hot water mopping, and vacuuming in one single machine. Whether that's worth it to you is going to come down to how much floor you've got and how much you hate juggling gear. But if you have kids or pets, in my opinion, this is a no-brainer pickup. It's very easy to maintain, will make your life easier, and you'll have less gear to store in your closet. That's the Dreame Aero Ultra Steam Vacuum Mop. If you want to check it out, I'll drop the link in the pinned comment description below. I'll also have any relevant discount codes or deals that Dreame has provided or sales that are going on right now. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification icon for future videos like this. And if you guys have questions, concerns, or wondering if this is a good fit for your family, drop that below as well. Always happy to answer your questions and chop it up with you guys in the comments. Or if you want to know how we've been using this in my household, appreciate you guys checking out the video. And of course, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.